Hello students, good morning and how are you? I hope all are doing well today. So this video is for class 7th and now we are going to start the topic determiner, right? So what are the determiners, right? First question is what are the determiners? A determiner is a word that introduces and clarifies of a noun. It always comes before a noun, right? So you will never find the determiner after noun, right? You will always find before a noun. Determiner is find before a noun, right? For example, my book, some milk, this chair, right? So my book is a noun and my is used before a noun, that is determiner, right? Next is some milk. Milk is also uncountable noun, right? Milk is also uncountable noun. So that is followed with some. So some is a determiner, right? Next is this chair. Chair is also a noun. Then before a noun, this is used. Then this is a determiner, right? So I hope you are understanding this. What are the determiners? So if I am talking about the categories of determiners, there are 4 categories of determiners, right? Articles, second one is demonstrative, third one is quantifiers, and the last is possession, right? Let's discuss about the first point is article, okay? So I already talked about articles in a previous video. So you will never find and you will never see in the video. Then you can check the video and you will see the video. Okay. So article, these are the 2 categories, right? Definite and indefinite. Definite, the is a definite article because if we are talking about a particular person or thing, that is definite article, right? Indefinite article, if we are not sure about this things or person, that is indefinite article. So a or an are the indefinite articles, right? For example, we went to the best restaurant in the town, right? We went to the best restaurant in the town. So the best restaurant in the town, so the is a definite article, right? Because I'm saying the best restaurant is it is a particular restaurant, right? The next one is an ostrich would beat a chicken in a race, right? So an ostrich, an is also indefinite article, but these are called also determiners, right? So next point is demonstrative. Demonstratives are you are already known the topic demonstrative in of a pronoun, right, in a previous class. But right now these are the determiners. So you have to know the importance of the determiners and the placement of the determinants as a demonstrative, right? So what are the demonstrative? This, that, these and those. These are the 4 categories. These are the 4 words that is used demonstrative determiners, right? So first let's see the examples. Do you know this is a book, right? So do you know this is a book? If I am saying just a book, so you don't clear about the book, right? If I am saying do you know this is a book? This is a book, that is clear to you. I'm talking what's about a book, right? So that's why this is a demonstrative. And the next is I do not want to wear that dress. I do not want to wear that dress. I am talking about a particular dress, right? That dress, that is a demonstrative. And these mangoes are sour, right? These mangoes are sour. So what is the word that clarifies mangoes? These is a demonstrative determiners, right? So next is he wanted those beggars to go away, right? He wanted those beggars. So those is a demonstrative determiner. So let's move on the next type. Next type is quantifier. Quantifier, what are the quantifier, right? If I am saying quantity, how much, how little, right? That is the quantity, right? So let's see. these are determiners that indicate how much or how little of noun is being talked about, right? If I'm talking about any time of how much, how little, right, that you can give the answer, then you can get the answer. That is a quantifier determiners, right? So example, let's see the example. My mother liked all gifts equally. All gifts, right? So all is a quantifier. And next is Shyam has borrowed few books from me. Shyam has borrowed few books from me. So few is a quantifier, right? And all is a quantifier determiner. Next is possessive. Possessive determiners. If I'm saying and if I'm talking about a possession, right? Possession, that is a my, right? Oh, I'm talking about its own things, right? There, let's see. It is used when we need to refer to a noun that belongs to someone, right? If you belongs to someone, that things or person, that anything else, that's called possessive. For example, where is your car? Right? Where is your car? If I am saying where is car, it is not a possession, right? If I am saying where is your car, your is a possessive. The next, honesty is his best quality, right? You already known about honesty, because honesty is a abstract noun, right? So honesty is his best quality. So his is a own, right? His is a own. Then his and your are possessive determiners, right? So I hope you are understanding these my points and the topic determiners. And thank you so much, and take care and keep learning.